Oh, I love that sound. These are called bag heels. Hit, bag heels. Hi Beanbeauties, Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Today is a very exciting unboxing. This is not sponsored, not sponsored. I was so excited when I first saw this. I saw Melissa Adam Wade unbox this on her Instagram and on her channel. And when I saw this, I flew like a bat out of you-know-what to go get this product. I'm excited. And I am pretty sure if I can, I want to see if I can use them. I know I'm speechless because this is just a phenomenal product. I mean, genius. Y'all need to go purchase from this. It comes from the Gal's Guide shop, and I'll put this up here. She does have a YouTube channel and she has an Instagram as well. I just was beyond myself. So it looks like, I don't really know much about her at all. I don't even know what her name is. I'm so sorry. I did watch a video. I watched her unboxing video of this product, and that's really all I saw. And so it looks like she's a content creator, and she invented these. She invented this. So I was like, oh my goodness. So this was shipped June the 2nd. Today is June the 8th. So it shipped like almost immediately after I purchased it. Y'all might have seen this already. Like I said, I purchased with my own money, not sponsored. But definitely if you want to sponsor me, I would be happy to. Coupon code for my viewers, something like that. Be happy. Coupon code for myself. I'd be happy for that. But actually, it's very inexpensive. So there was a bundle sale on there, and I was able to grab the bundle sale, and it was less expensive. Y'all know what this is? Let me show y'all. The box already is beautiful. Y'all know how I am about packaging. Black and white, classic, very beautiful colors. The box is a very nice box, better than the Real Real box, better than that $5 Real Real box we have to buy now, because you know, otherwise they just throw it in a box with nothing. So here you do very beautiful bow that she puts. You do, let's see, will it slip out? Yeah, so then it does come undone here, and then here is what it looks like in here. She has communication for you. It says, thank you, care recommendations. Avoid allowing magnets to jump together. Ooh. Keep away from pets and children. These magnets are not toys. Not needed as a permanent bag fixture. Store bag. These are called bag heels. Hint, bag heels. Store bag heels on their care card when not using them on your bag. Oh, cute. Oh, cute. Very good tip. Handbag heels were designed to help you protect your most precious investment. It's your bag. I believe that all bags should have feet. They should all have feet. Yes, they should all have feet, but they don't. They don't. I don't care if it's a backpack. I don't care if it's like, a bum bag. Well, some bum bags, you have to have a flat bottom. My Coach sling, that there's really no way to put them on there, but I'm gonna try them anyway. I'm gonna try them someday anyway. And then it connects with me on Instagram. I'll put the Instagram information up here. She has an email. I'll put the website that I purchased over here, and YouTube. Oh, the YouTube channel is called, and I'll put that up here, the Gal's Guide blog, BLOG blog. Very, very cute. Once again, this is how it looks in here. And here is the product. But look, it's magnetic. The box is magnetic. You hear that? Definitely better than that $5 box we have to pay for on the Real Real. Okay, now I do want to say that before I saw Melissa unbox her item, Melissa's was not sponsored either. Melissa bought hers with her own money, and which made that review even better. I mean, even if it was sponsored, I don't care about that. I try to support the content creators that I watch, so it doesn't matter to me if they have sponsorships, if they have get freebies or whatever, because this is hard work, people. Hard work. But anyway, side point. She bought it with her own money. I bought mine with my own money. My plans are to get one every payday because I'm not supposed to be buying anything, but this is a necessity. I did, before she did that, I was actually looking for something like this on Amazon, and I couldn't quite find what I needed. I don't know if they have anything like that on Amazon or not. I don't know, but why not support a fellow content creator? Why not support a fellow handbag lover, you know? So here is what you get. This is so freaking cute. Y'all know how I love minis, how I love the minis, right? I mean, look at this. This is the packaging. Yes, and you get to pick the color. This is like a it's rubber, but it's like a jelly, you know, like the jelly sandals or like a jelly bag, you know. I think the what is the name of that? Furla did those. It's like those, like this. It's so freaking cute. It has the gold hardware. It has they go down. I'm like, I want to buy them just for this. The cost, I'll put how much I paid for it up here because I'm too excited to even remember. But I would pay that for just this, much less the way the product itself. So it has very nice hardware here. There is no branding on the zipper, but the zipper pull, yeah, no branding, but it's a very hardy zipper. A very hardy zipper, nice gold tone. Comes all the way, opens all the way to the bottom. And look at that. It's in here. It's in here. So it looks, because, that is so cute. Okay, it was, it magnetized to the metal here. That's why it was in there. You know, it wasn't just on the bottom, it had magnetized to there. That is so cute. But look at that. There's her product. Look at that. Only thing I would say is I would say that I would wrap it in tissue and then put it in here. That would be the only part of the presentation that I would change. I gotta keep it real. Is it would just make this a little bit nicer. Plus, too, if you wrapped the magnets up, then maybe it wouldn't do that. Because see, now it's doing that. And it said try not to make it. It said try not to make them attached to each other. But see, it came like this. Oh shoot, they're attached to each other. Yeah. I'm not sure if that will help or not. Oh no. Oh no, no. Okay, that's their, well, they're really strong magnets, so I'm thinking that they will do their purpose. Okay, I'm gonna put this all separate. Keep them separate. Keep them separated. Keep them separated. So y'all know how I am with my dexterity issues, so you don't want to, I mean, the magnets are tough. I might have to get the hubby to help me. If you slide them off of each other, okay, all right, there, keep them separated. Okay. Woo! That was dangerous. Yeah. And then I'm gonna try something. Okay. Okay, I got that one on. Put this. No. Can you imagine put these on the cards? Because I'm sure she has to assemble these herself. I bet you, or I don't know if she has them doing assembling them, but this is definitely a hand, what I would think is a hand assembly kind of a product, and that is a nightmare. Yeah. Okay. This is proving to be, okay, I'm not going to put this back on the card, so just pretend that y'all see that one there, because that is actually hurting my hands already. And it's only because I have the dexterity issue, but you know that that's a strong magnet. So it comes on the card here, and then here is the little chain, I believe, for this. Okay, before I do that, I want to test something. Okay, I'm gonna get the tissue. See, you know, let's see if this will work. Yeah, okay. So they still adhere through that, but whatever you can do to just kind of make it a little bit easier, because I was a pain getting off. That was a pain undoing it. All right, so let's try go back to the chain and the magnets, and then we'll show you the magnets. I'm already at 14 minutes, so I'm gonna have to cut some of this out, but I definitely won't, you know, definitely want that suggestion. Sorry. All right, so here's the chain. It's got a nice little good little length to it. All right. You could also, I think the other thing is it could come already assembled here, and then you just leave this on the outside of the bag and have it tied like that. You know, I know, I'm sorry. Just improvements, just trying to help you out. I am in no way throwing shade. I'm just trying to help her with improvements is all. But here it is. It's very good little, definitely will fit if you want to wear it as a shoulder bag and as a crossbody. You know, I rock that. You know, could do that too. The chain itself is here's what the chain looks like, and you know, it's part of, you know, considered part of the packaging. The chain and the clasp, you know, are, you know, that's not what you're buying the product for. It's a great addition, so just know that. Love this 100%. Love the baggie itself 100%. The bag that I chose to work on it to see how they work is my Coach soft tabbing. Love this, but you put your items in it and it sits. Has no feet on the bottom, doesn't come with feet on the bottom, and you need that with the denim. So I'm gonna see if it'll work, because this is kind of thick how I have it packed. It looks like that. Okay, so I have this that I also use this as a crossbody just in case I need it, so I have that here all ready to go. Let me see if I can do this. This may have, if you don't see me do it, it's because I had to get the husband to help me because of my dexterity issues. So here is, I don't know if I can't tell if there's a right side or a wrong side, like to the magnet, like is one side magnet and the other one's not. But I guess so, because it just flipped over. Okay. So there's one there. Here's the other one. I got the gold because it matches with this. I'm gonna put these over here. Really easy to come on. It's just taking me a little while because, like, on my dexterity issues, the magnets are strong. I cannot emphasize that, how strong the magnets are. So it's working through the denim. Here's the last piece, and then I'm just trying to keep them, you know, kind of in the space that will work for the bag, and trying to keep them to look even, so that they look like, look at that, isn't that beautiful? So it looks like, you know, it came with the bag. That's beautiful. Now look here, love this sound. Look at that. Okay, so far so good. Let me, oh, see, I have my chain. I don't know if it's going to oh yeah, okay, and it pulled it off. Okay, so I cannot use my chain. Okay, Beanbeautis, I'm back. Okay, I took off the chain and I put it way over here. I took the chain off. So I would have to get a something different, because I'm going to keep these on here. So I bought them for here. So I'm not going to be changing them back and forth. So I'm going to keep them on here. So to have an emergency crossbody, I don't remember, did this come with a crossbody? I don't remember, but I know I have a Coach that has this color that has a thin strap, and I can use that. I don't know which bag it is right now. So and I added the gold chain. It didn't come with the soft tabby, so just make sure that you don't do that, because that'll. Okay, so I'll put this back in here. That is why I'm doing this review for y'all. Let me learn, and y'all can learn the hard way. Okay, look at that. Here's the bottom. Y'all can hear. I'm going to try this out with the feet and see how it works for y'all. I'm not sure if I'm going to attach it to this video or if I'm going to do a second review video on it, but I do want to and let y'all know how it is. Yeah, I think maybe this will just be the unboxing. Y'all kind of get the first impressions and kind of what my feelings are with the first impressions, and that kind of the very small technical issues that I had with it. These are going to live on here. Oh, I love that sound. They have different colors. I'll try to put them up here. Go visit her website. It was like $22, less than $25, I believe is what I did, and it's called the this is the Gal's Guide. That's who I purchased these from, right? Yeah, the Gal's Guide. The Gal's Guide Shop, I think, is what the website is. These are heels, are bag heels, I think is what they're called. I'll put all that information here. Comes in this gorgeous bag. They are cased in here. They arrive in here. You get to choose the colors. There were several colors. You get to choose the colors. And so here are the feet. Pro tip, I was like saying that, not that I'm a pro or anything, but what I would do is I put this down and then I just let the magnet go in the bag and it traveled to this, and then I just made sure that they were lined up, you know, enough here. And I did that. Was so much easier than trying to get them just in the right spot. Once I did that, it was very easy and you don't have to worry about anything. So far they're okay. They're not, you know, I'm sliding this around. I don't see them moving on here. They're not lined up perfectly because I just eyeballed it. I didn't measure or anything. I am getting more, just so you know right now. I'm going to buy more. I'm going to see what other bags I need them for. So I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna get the silver ones, because I thought I had a silver bag, but I definitely know that get more gold, because I think the next bag I want to try to get them for, and I don't know if it'll work, I'm going to try them before, is for the quilted tabby. Because I want to see if they will work, because this has the cardboard down here, or you know, the structure part down here is thicker than the structure that they have here on the Coach denim. So I don't know. So stay tuned for my next video and I'll let you know whether or not they work for the tabby, the quilted tabby. But for now, 100% I recommend. I don't know who the lady is. I just found her, like I said, through Melissa's video. Do not know who she is. I've never watched her YouTube channel before. I only subscribed to her after I purchased these. I went straight from Melissa's video. I paused her video and I went straight to the website and ordered them. Came really quick. Look at that. Look at that. I'm excited. All right, Beanbeauties, thank y'all so much for coming by. This is so cute. Look at that.